let's go wait to get the disco lights from Jeff next door.
Let's get them. Let's get them.
Not yet, she's not awake yet.
Oh.
So what's this going to be?
This is gonna be Pickle Birthday.
Shake your groove thing.
No, we are saying you're gonna be out and I'm gonna do this.
So you're going to get the little chipmunks to... Carefully.
Carefully, Sage. How can we put this up? I'll do it, Sage. Sage, give it to me, I'll do it. There we are. And other ones.
You can do it. There you go. Yeah. What are you doing, Winter? Remember, it will flash as you talk. It's flashing. What do you need help with?
I want you to turn it off. Thank you. But me, my darling. You see? I can't do it.
You can do it?
No.
I think you can do it. You know what though, girls? We're going to go to the park now.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a go on the Flying Fox?
What did you say?
I'll let you have a go on the Flying Fox.
Where's the flying? The flying fox?
Fox.
Oh, I thought that was early in the morning.
It is early in the morning.
Where is it?
Down at the park we went to yesterday.
It's blue.
As long as there's nobody there. If there's heaps of people there, we won't be able to go on the Flying Fox.
I'm just going there.
Now?
I'm just going there. Yeah, and the chipmunks and chipmunks want to go.
Nope. Just that.
Why not chipmunks? We can put them in the box. Mom.
Can't take the box on the Flying Fox. Now, you go get some tights and come back down.
We can put them in the box and you can hold.
Go. Get your tights. Come down. Thank you. Sage? What you doing?
Do we do it?